Hi everyone and welcome to Nava's Kitchen. You are not going to believe who I've got here for you today. She's famous, she's funny, and I love her. Alright, I'll give you a clue. You ready? Ah! There's the doorbell! Let's go! Run!
Put the good stuff in, yes I do. Yeah. I put the good stuff in every day, every day, every day. I put the good stuff in, yeah. No. I put the good stuff in, yeah.
Let's go! Thank you so much for coming and accepting the invitation. You did get the invitation, right? Good, great. First, I'll get you to put Nava's Kitchen apron on, and then we can start with the cooking. So, Ellen, I know you've been going through quite a bit of a rough time, and I thought to sweeten things up, we could make a sweet treat for you. I know you've hated being cooped up inside. I mean, I know you said it felt like prison. And you got hammered for that. I mean, really. I mean, look where you've been cooped up. Let's be honest, right? Anyway, we've got some games for you to play today because I know how much you love playing games. And we can get started. What's wrong? Oh, you need to go to the ladies' room. Okay. Off you go. So for our treat today, I thought we'd make a lovely, healthy treat for you because I know you like to watch what you eat. It's dates with some beautiful either rose petals or pomegranate petals, which is what these are, crushed hazelnuts, some chocolate buttons that I've melted and I've kept them over some hot water, some coconut, shredded coconut, my favorite pistachio, and some grated oranges. Very simple, you don't need any tools, you just use your fingers, dip it in the chocolate, dip it in the coconut, and voila. Dip it in the chocolate, dip it in the pistachios. They're my favorite. I love pistachios. They also had a lovely, nice green color. Again, this time, some beautiful rose petals. And there we go. Some hazelnut. And there we are, beautiful. But like I said, you can use any nuts you want. There's oranges for those who like a nice zest. So grated oranges. Beautiful. Looks a bit like a porcupine. And there we have it. Ta-da! There we go. I've made some earlier on. And I can add those on. And they look gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. There we are. Ta-da! Not yet. Wait. First we're going to play some games, remember? Just like we do on the Ellen Show. First game is the 5-second rule game. I go first. What are 3 things you find in the kitchen? Food, stove, cutlery. Go. Maid, chef, butler. Okay, because you find them in every kitchen. Whatever. Next game is getting to know you. They said that after knowing someone for 7 seconds, you've pretty much made up your mind about them. So I thought you could describe me in 3 words and I could do the same. This time you go first. Go. You're sad, you're hurt, and you're sorry. That's very sweet, but it's not about you. It's about me. Let me show you how you did it, all right? So I'm going to say 3 things to describe you. You're kind, you're generous, you're real, and you're human. What do you mean it's 4 words? So what? My kitchen, my show. See? It says it here. Nava's kitchen. Nava's kitchen. Nava's kitchen. And I've even got undies for you that say Nava's kitchen. A gift for you and Portia, because you could probably both fit into Nava's kitchen. So there you go. Back in your pocket. You can keep that. And thank you very much for coming on the show and being such a good sport. Can I give you one more hug? Oh, thank you. I love you, Portia. I mean, Ellen. And thank you all for coming. Bye.
Put the good stuff in, yes I do.